Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Trade Achievers. In this video, we are going to look about the truth of candlesticks. We have already posted the video about truth of indicators and other stuffs. So in this video, we are going to look about the truth about candlesticks. Why we are going to look about the truth of candlesticks is many people when they come to trade in the market, they go around and search in YouTube. They search how to trade in the market. The first thing they find is the tutorials about candlesticks, how to trade the candlesticks. Yeah, this is the basic subjects for all the traders. They first find what are the candlesticks and they will find the patterns which is around the spinning top and all the other patterns, and they do the stuffs and they trade in the market. When they first trade, the first trade will always come in a profit. That is what we call as beginner's luck. All the people who have traded in the market, their first trade will be always profit. So we call it as beginner's luck. When the people are after learning the candlesticks, they will trade in the market, it will make profits maybe around 2 to 3 days. After the 2 to 3 days or 2 to 3 days, people no, they have a little bit of confidence. The confidence will rise up, and they will think we are the market. So they will think candlesticks is working perfectly. So I'll take some more lots. They will increase the lots. After they increase the lots, the losses will start to occur. One time when they will increase the lot, the account will be washed out. So this is the problem for the new traders. Is the what they do is they totally depend upon the candlesticks. Candlesticks is good. Yeah, candlesticks we can use it. We cannot totally depend upon it. Let me tell you a story. What the candle actually means. If you take a look at spinning top, you can see it in here. If you take a look at spinning top, people in YouTube and all the other stuff, they will say if the green color spinning top is formed, we can go for buy, or if a red color spinning top is formed, we can go for sell. It is really true. Have you retested in the market? Have you checked it before in the market? Let me tell you what the spinning top means. For example, let's take a football match. Two teams are playing. Let's take a buyer's team and seller's team. They are playing the football match. The ball is in the middle and the people are standing in the middle. There are two posters in each side. First, what the buyers are trying to do, they take the ball and they pass the ball and they are traveling the ball towards the seller's goal post, and they try to score a goal, but they cannot do it. The seller's goalkeeper blocked it. So from there, the sellers are trying to dominate the game and they are trying to bring the ball towards the opposite, and they are trying to score a goal, but they also cannot score a goal. So the match becomes draw, and they have come to the place in the middle where the match has started now. So the both team has tried to score a goal, but they did not able to score a goal. So they are now in the middle where the match has started. So the both teams are now 0-0, 0 all. With this, can you tell which team can win in this game? With the 0-0 score, can you tell if buyers can win in the market or sellers can win in the market? No, we cannot tell, because the both scores are 0. We cannot tell whether the buyers will win or the sellers will be victorious. No, we cannot tell it like that. For example, this is also a spinning top. Spinning top also means this only. If you take a look at spinning top, the candle will be here. The buyers are telling to making the market. They are buying, and they are making the market they are trying to dominate the market. They are bringing the market upwards. So after the market has gone upwards, it is not closed now. So the sellers is trying to come little. They are selling in the market, and sellers are trying to dominate in the market. So they have brought the price down. They were not able to score a goal. They were not able to close the candle in a red candle. So after the two teams tried, they are closed in the middle words. So this is a 0-0 game. So either the team, not the buyers nor the sellers, have scored in the market. So we cannot tell whether the buyers will win or the sellers will win. This is so why we call this as an indecision moment. Why we call a spinning top as an indecision moment is because with the score 0-0, we cannot tell whether the buyers will be victorious or the sellers will be victorious. We cannot tell will the buyers win or the sellers win. So only we cannot trust We cannot totally depend upon the spinning tops and other candles. In technical analysis, or the professional traders, they do what they do is they take this candlesticks as a third confirmation or a fourth confirmation, not as the first confirmation. The beginner's problem is they will take this as a first confirmation, but the professional will always take this as a third confirmation or a fourth confirmation. They usually see the trends and other things, supports and resistance, supply and demand on the Fibonacci, on the other things, and they will for the third confirmation or the fourth confirmation, they will go and look at the markets for the candlesticks. If the market has given us these things, they will go for a confirmation, they will take it as a confirmation. So professional mindset is different from the beginner's mindset. All the beginners, they lose. Why is they totally depend upon the candlesticks. Candlesticks is good. ABCs are good. Candlesticks are a least form of technical. Candlesticks is like a ABC in the market. ABC is good. When we are starting in the market, we must learn the ABCs. But when we grow up in the standards, we must learn all the other words. We cannot stay in the ABC. We must learn the words. We must go for the A square plus B square. We must learn the algebra. We cannot stay in the ABC. ABC is good, but after the market, if you are going to sustain in the market, if you are going to stand in the market, this ABCs is not enough. So if you want to learn about the candlesticks, we have posted a video in our YouTube. With these candlesticks, we have many rules. As we said, penny top is an induction movement. So what we can do next, we have those videos. We can check it in our YouTube channel. If a spinning top is formed, we must wait for the next candle. We must wait for the candle to close, the next candle to close. Whether if it closes in the green candle, we can go for buy, or if it closes in a red candle, we can go for sell. We are waiting for the buyers to score a goal. If the buyers score a goal, we can go for buy. If the seller score a goal, we can go for sell. So if the spinning top is come, don't go for a buy or sell. Wait for the next candle, after that go for a buy. And if the spinning top comes in a resistance, what we can do? If it comes in a support, what we can do? Or if it comes in a middle of the that swing, what we can do? We'll discuss this about this in our YouTube channel. You can check it about that. So candlesticks is important, not as important. If you are a beginner, learn candlesticks, but what you do is try to analyze the candlesticks. Try to back test these candlesticks, whether it works perfectly, how much percentage is success ratio is. Check whether if any strategy you are looking in the YouTube or any strategy, no problem. You learn the strategy and check for the success ratio, how much success it gives. Maybe some candles will give you around only 40% of success ratio. Some will give you around 30%. Some will give you around 60%. So check for the success ratio. If it is above 50, normal, if you are professional, we will trade only above 70%. If a strategy gives us a success ratio about 70%, we can go for that strategy. If you are a beginner, search for a candlesticks or something that gives you above 60% success ratio. If something is given, we can learn it. Try to exercise it. Try to back test it. Don't go for a candlestick if you learned in the YouTube. Don't go without back testing it. So first back test the candlesticks and do the other all things, and then go for the buys and other things. First try to analyze the trends and other things. So if you want to learn these trends that we are talking about now, we have courses in our Trade HUS. We are conducting in the 20th September this month. We are conducting our classes, which starts around Monday 20th September. In every batch we are starting our courses, Chennai, Coimbatore and Bangalore. If you want to come, we can come to our offices. If you are online, so we can now come to these branches. Or if you are overseas, we can come to our online sections also, which starts around 22nd of this month. Wednesday it comes around here. Or some people, working people, they cannot come in the weekdays. So we have weekend classes also, which start around 25th of September, Saturday. You can enroll for the class also. If you want to know more details about it, check the details check for the number in the below, scroll and call for the number. They will let you know what are the things we are providing and all the things that we. So for the conclusion, yeah, candlesticks is good. Candlesticks like ABC, don't totally depend upon it. Do all the other researches like trend, what is trend, and all the other researches. As a third or fourth confirmation, go for candlesticks, not as a first confirmation. So alright, I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.